In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom properties in HubSpot free CRM. Custom properties are an incredibly useful feature that allows you to store additional business-specific data that HubSpot doesn't include by default. This can include things like product preferences, onboarding dates, or even your lead sentiment. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to create these properties effectively within your CRM. First, you need to access property settings. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon, which resembles a gear. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the settings area. On the left sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Data Management. Within this section, click on Properties. This is where all the magic happens, as here you can manage and create new properties for your database. Next, we begin the creation process. Look towards the top right of your screen. You should see a button labeled Create Property. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a form for you to fill out. The first field you'll encounter is labeled Label. This is essentially the friendly name for your property, something like Preferred Product, that makes it easily recognizable. The next field is the internal name, which is generated automatically by the system. It serves as a system reference and stays fixed, so you don't need to worry about altering it. Following this, you'll select the group. This decision is about where the property will appear, and you might place it under categories such as contact information or company information. This helps your team easily find and use the property. There's also an option for a description, which is essentially a note for your team. Though it's optional, using this space can be helpful for context or guidance on how the property should be used. Now, let's discuss choosing the right field type. This choice depends on the kind of information you want to store. You might choose from text types like single line or multi-line or phone. If you're dealing with numbers, you have options like number, currency, and percentage. For dates, you can select Date Picker or Date and Time. Other possibilities include enumerations like Drop-Down, Radio Select, or multiple checkboxes. If your data falls outside these categories, consider special types such as File, HubSpot User, Score, or Calculation. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and made your selections, it's time to save your work. Simply click Create, and your property will be added to your CRM. Now, you can view or edit it directly on any relevant records. This new property can be used across various HubSpot tools, enabling you to apply it in filters, reports, lists, workflows, email personalization, and much more. From here, you have the power to customize your CRM to better fit your business needs.